Oh, I didn't see you there. Anyways, have you ever wanted to learn how to make an egg and not burn it to your pan? Well, hey, I got you, because I'm just that guy. Okay, so you get some of that oil or butter, you know, whatever you prefer. Get your egg. Start transition of the pan. So then you do a little flip. I didn't make those niggas good. So yeah. Then yeah, if all is done right, you should end up with an egg that isn't burned near your pan. Not calling anyone out here. And you can put whatever your little heart desires on it. Put a little bit of smidge of that, you know what I'm saying? For the sandwich. And with that being said, you have an egg. And I put it on a sandwich. Of course, you can put whatever you want on it. I'm finna put a little bit of hot sauce because I'm a little bit adventurous, of course. I hope it doesn't like burn me as I take a bite on it, but damn, where's the yolk at? Damn. Excuse my elegance. And I love to have it with a glass of peak J. You know what I'm saying? Orange juice, but it's peak. Because we don't drink apple juice around here. Pinky up, of course. But I hope you enjoyed, and I hope from now on, you can cook an egg. And if not, it's never too late to give up.